In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the leverage or the power of options, company-issued options. These are different from the options that investment funds have created and are traded as different type of securities. So these LRVO options represent the right of the holder to buy heads or the actual shares, which are LRV, at an exercise price before the expiry date. So the key considerations when investing options is the expiry date, how close you are when you buy these options to the expiry date, and how much do you expect to pay to convert them from LRVO into LRV. The exercise price or conversion price of LRVO is 30 cents. You need to pay 30 cents per LRVO to convert into LRV. So to demonstrate the power of options, let's say you have $500. If you had $500 and invested in LRVO in March 19, 2024, you can see that the price at the time was 0.003, so that 500 would have been able to buy 166,000. At today's price of 0.3 now, that $500 would be worth 50,000 today. So from 0.003 to 0.3, you turn your money 100 times by buying the options. What if you bought LRV? On the same date, March 19, 2024, LRV was trading at 0.065. So with the same money, $500, you would have been able to buy 7,692. At today's price, which is 0.59 cents, you would have been able to turn that into 4,538. So while your investment in LRV has increased 9 times, your investment, if you bought LRVO, had turned 100 times. In short, that's the power of options. So you might ask, why were people buying at 0.003 in March 19? And why were sellers selling the options at that price? But can you imagine the risk and opportunity that exists in LRVO? For the seller to sell at 0.003 when the share price of LRV was 0.065, he saw there is no chance that this share, this LRV, from 0.65, there is no chance that it will go up above 30 cents at the expiry date of the options. For the buyer of the options at that date, he was taking the risk. He expects that LRV will exceed 30 cents by December 1st. And the buyer who took that risk won hands down. He turned his investment 100 times, and the seller missed out on 100 times profit. So it's important to understand those concepts. How close are you to the expiry date, the exercise price, and is there any major catalyst in the company that could turn the share price to 9 times? That's above, that can push the share price from 0.65 to 30 cents. Well, if you look at the history of LRV, it seems that there is no chance when it was 0.065 in August, because even between March to August, it was just sitting at 13. But then there is catalyst in this company. The Hillgrove acquisition of the antimony project was the catalyst, and then China banned the export of antimony. So those are the other things that you would have to consider. Is there a major catalyst in the company that would push the share price and thereby the options as well? So this is not an endorsement to buy these stocks. It's just a demonstration because many new investors have a difficulty understanding what options are, especially company issued options. And you can replay it, understand it, because retail investors, some of them keep looking for options because of the leverage it offers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the other videos.